All right, so we got problem 2 for my Algebra 2 problems on April 22nd, 2026. This one is x squared plus 8x plus 16 divided by x squared minus 16. That divided by x squared minus 25 over x squared minus 10x plus 25. Now, when I say divided or on top of, fraction bar indicates division. So that's what I'm talking about there. This assumes that you know how to factor a perfect square trinomial and a difference of squares. If you want a deeper dive on either of those, say deep dive perfect square trinomial and comment that, or deep dive difference of squares and comment that in the comments below. Okay, so first off, we're going to change this to a multiplication problem, and we do that by flipping the numerator and the denominator here. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared plus 8x plus 16 over x squared minus 16 times, then we're going to move this up top, so x squared minus 10x plus 25 over x squared minus 25. So x squared plus 8x plus 16, that factors to x plus 4 squared. I'm going to write it as x plus 4 times x plus 4. So that's a perfect square trinomial. This one is also a perfect square trinomial that factors to x minus 5 times x minus 5. On the bottom, x squared minus 16 is a difference of squares. So that would be x plus 4 times x minus 4. Here we have another difference of squares, x squared minus 25. That would be x plus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, so now we're going to cancel out any common binomial factors on the bottom and the top. So x plus 4 cancels with x plus 4, and x minus 5 cancels with x minus 5 here. So what are we left with? Well, in factored form, we have x plus 4 times x minus 5 over x minus 4 times x plus 5. So we could leave it in factored form, or if we want to multiply those back together, we've got x times x is x squared, x times negative 5 is negative 5x, 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 5 is minus 20, over x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, minus 4 times x is minus 4x, and minus 4 times 5 is minus 20. Combining like terms, that's going to leave me x squared minus 1x minus 20 over x squared plus 1x minus 20. So either of these work as solutions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. Thanks.